Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Exceptional wall clock designs have the power to transform the ambience of any living space, adding a touch of sophistication and style to your home decor. These unique timepieces are not only merely functional but serve as exquisite pieces of art that capture the essence of your interior design. From sleek and minimalistic designs to intricate the ornate creations, there is a wall clock to match every aesthetic, whether you're drawn to contemporary, vintage, or eclectic styles. You can find a clock that complements your home decor seamlessly. Incorporating extraordinary wall clocks into your design seems provides a focal point for any room, creating a sense of balance and elegance. This can be a conversation starter and a reflection of your personality and taste. These exquisite timekeepers came in various sizes and materials, allowing you to choose the perfect piece that harmonizes with the decor theme. From oversized rustic design to compact modern masterpieces, there is no shortage of options to enhance the overall appeal of your home. In conclusion, exceptional wall clock designs are more than just tools to keep time. They are decorative accents that breathe life into your living space. They exemplify the intersection of art and functionality, making them a must have for anyone looking to elevate their home decor to new heights. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.